It was such a blessing to not just be a part of this program, but to watch it step by step, no matter how big, no matter how little of a step. Each and every moment was a gift. To see them fully become themselves, to fully allow themselves to break down, to allow themselves to take down that wall and become something else.
And so we started with focus groups because we wanted to understand each group's experience. And what we found from the focus groups was that they weren't really that annoyed with each other. What was really going on was that each group felt alienated in the high school and in the local community. And they also felt and experienced prejudice and bullying. And they also felt that they really didn't have much voice or nobody was really listening to them. So it was really amazing that even though they were two very different cultures, had very similar experiences. And so then when we brought them together in the workshop and they started to understand that, the bridges just started happening naturally.
Being able to hear these kids offer their stories, I felt like it gave me an opportunity to say, you know what? I can put my story in this too, and not everything is great.
It opened my eyes more, because you made us realize that we're all the same and we're all going through the same struggles. Even though we might look different on the outside, we're all the same.
One of the things that we wanted to do with this project is have it so that the students took their personal narratives that they created and decide what pieces of the curriculum they thought went with their stories and what personal narratives were important for them to show to Albany High School, because this is their school.